Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna paint a leather wallet. As you can see, so it is very damaged right now. Its skin has peeled off. So I'm gonna paint. Starting off, we will draw the pattern that we want to draw using a pencil. So you can draw anything you want to draw a cartoon character, or you want to draw an abstract art, or you want to draw a mandala art. So whatever your option is. So I have chosen mandala because I've been practicing it, I have been trying it, new designs, and I want to learn more of it. So I tried mandala. So once we are done with drawings, we can start with painting. And if anyone has drawing tools, perfect, go for it, use that. I do not have still, so I used earbuds, toothpick, brush, pen. There are a lot of things which have a good tip, smooth tip, so you can use them. So, and if anyone wants to gift me dotting tools, most welcome. Thank you. Well, I did not think of a pattern previously, so I drew whatever came into my mind. And also, there's a chance that when you draw and when you paint, so there could be a modification, instant modification, instant re-improvisation. It could be a chance. So this is what exactly I have done. So I just marked lines, right? I did not draw entire pattern. I just marked lines. The reason why I marked lines, because I want to have a uniform pattern. When you want to draw, when you want to put some dots, at a similar distance, at exact same distance, then it's good if you draw lines and do not draw the entire pattern, because otherwise, using pencil on a leather or any other fabric, it's very clumsy if you are making a very detailed design. This was the last moment addition to the pattern. I did not think of drawing such curves and flowers and using pink colors. So whenever I saw the colors, I tried to have a combination in my mind, and then I use the colors. So guys, it's almost complete, and I'm liking the product. I'm liking the outcome of it. And let me know guys if you like it, if you have any other pattern that could have been drawn. I can draw it on other sections of this wallet. Still a lot of spaces available. So guys, moving on to the next step, and the last step is giving it a layer to protect it from water, heat. It does not stick, it does not get again peeled off. So I have used Mosh Posh from Fevicryl. So just give it a layer. The best part of it does not leave any whitish stains. It is completely transparent, rather it will give it a shine to it. So guys, give it 24 hours and you will see a protective and a glossy layer on it, and there will not be a whitish stain anywhere. Just give 24 hours to dry. So this is how it looks, and it actually is shining like diamond. Thank you guys, subscribe to my channel.